Are you sick of bad technology? Well, because I am, and your team is, and your customers are, because bad technology is just bad for business. And good technology, on the other hand, is really good for business, because if you can get things done quicker, customers can buy from you more easily, if you've got better information, if all your data is in a place you can find it, then guess what? Your business will improve. Because what we've learnt from 15 years of making technology for ourselves and for our clients is that it's not about the technology, it's about the business improvement, the improvement that you see day to day, about the problems that we fix. And if you focus on that as a first principle, not on the technology, on what you're going to improve, then you just keep doing that step by step by step. And that's what we do. We've got a process that we run, it's called a Tech Bootcamp. And like a boot camp at a gym, if you go every day and do it, you get fitter every single day over time. And that's what we do with your technology. We take some action and then we measure it. And when we measure it, we see if it's worked or not worked. And if it hasn't worked, we kill it. If it has worked, we keep on investing in it. The upshot is you get improvement, you get happier customers and a happier team step by step. That's what we do. So give us a call and we'll sort it out for you.